Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we have this challenge before us here, a very simple one. And how do we solve this exponential equation? The question is x to the power of 4 equal to 4. So how do we get the value of x that will satisfy the exponential equation? So let's go into today's challenge. All right, so the first thing we take is to take our solution. So the question is x to the power of 4 equal to 4. So the number one thing is to move this 4 to the left-hand side of the equation. So we have here x to the power of 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Then here we are having 4. So we just have to rewrite this 4. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. Again, we have for here this exponent, which is 4, so can be written as 2 times 2. Okay, so rewriting this, we're going to have here s to the power of 2, bracket 2, then minus 2 to the power of 2 equal to 0. So with this, we can invoke the difference of 2 squared. What does it say? It says that if you have, let's use a squared minus b squared, this is equal to bracket our a minus b close bracket a plus b, right? So if we put this into consideration, you discover that what we have here now is similar to this. So our a is x to the power of 2 and b is 2. Okay, so we can rewrite this expression as our x to the power of 2, then minus our 2 close bracket, then into our x to the power of 2, then plus 2 close bracket, everything equal to 0. So at this point, we equate this to 0, equate this to 0. So we're going to have here x squared minus 2 equal to 0, or our x squared plus 2 equal to 0. This is easy. So we take this as our case 1. So let's take case 1. So our case 1, we have our x squared equal to positive 2. So what we do, we take the square root of both sides. So let's continue on this side. Okay. So from here, we're going to have this to be our x squared square root is equal to the square root of our 2. At this point, we introduce plus minus. So this leave the system. So we're now having x is equal to plus minus the square root of 2. So we have two values of x from here now. So we have our x1 is equal to root 2 and our x2 is equal to minus root 2. Okay. So let's keep these two. Now we take our case 2. This is our case 2. So from here we have case 2. So we have x squared plus 2. This is equal to 0. Send this to this side. So we have x squared then equal to minus 2. Again, we take the square root of both sides. So we're going to have our x squared, square root of it equal to the square root of minus 2, then plus minus. All right, this leaves. So now I have x is equal to plus minus the square root of minus 2. Now recall that our iota, the square root of minus 1, right, equal to what? Iota. So from this, we can bring out minus 1 from here. And so this will now give us our x is equal to the plus minus the square root of 2 iota. Right? Good. So we can get our x3 and x4 from here. So again, let's continue on this side. So splitting this will now give us our x3 is equal to the positive, which is plus square root of 2 iota, and our x4 is equal to minus the square root of 2 iota. Right. So again, let's keep this. So we have 4 roots to this because the exponent here is to the power of what? 4. And so the 4 roots are, we have our x1 this, x2 this, and x3 this, x4 this. But we want to do a simple check to see if the answer, the root, the 4 roots to these questions are correct. So let's take a check. We take the first 2 roots here. So the question is x to the power of 4 equal to 4. So when x is the square root of 2, so take here when x is equal to the square root of 2. So let's put in here the square root of 2 or to the power of 4 equal to 4. We can rewrite this here, which is this radical. So we have 2 to the power of 1 all over 2, everything to the power of 4 equal to 4. We can multiply these 2 powers here. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, will give us what? 2. So we have 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. So we have 4 equal to 4. So this shows that the first answer, which is x1 equal to the square root of 2, is correct. It satisfies the original equation, which is this. All right, so we check for x2. So we have here for x2 equal to minus the square root of 2. Again, we bring our original equation. All right, so let's put in, yes, the value. So we have here minus the square root of 2 all to the power of 4. This is equal to 4. Rewriting this again, so we have here minus 2 to the power of 1 all over 2, all raised to the power of 4 equal to 4. Now we check out something here. This minus here, we have to multiply it by itself into 4 places. So we have minus times minus will give us plus, times another minus will give us minus, times another minus will give us plus. So minus to the power of 4 will give us positive, right? Then automatically we're going to have this to be 2 to the power of 1 all over 2, then times 4 all over 1, which is equals to 4. So again, this leave. So we now have it 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4. So we have 4 equal to 4. So this also shows that the answer minus root 2 also satisfies the original equation. So again, let's check for the other ones. So when when s3 is equal to plus, okay, the square root of 2 iota. Oh, so how do we get this now? Again, our original equation is s to the power of 4 is equal to 4. So we're going to have here the square root of 2 iota all to the power of 4 equal to our 4. Now we have to distribute this power into everything we have inside here, so that we can get the value of iota to the power of 4. But iota to the power of 4 is equal to positive 1. Let's check it out here. For instance, we have here iota to the power of 0. This is equal to 1. Because anything to the power of 0 is 1. Then, again, iota to the power of 1. Okay, to the power of 1. This is equal to iota. Then, we have iota to the power of 2, this is equals to minus 1, and iota to the power of 3, this will give us minus iota, and iota to the power of 4, this will give us positive 1. Okay, so let's just take this. All right, so iota to the power of 1, to the power of 4 will give us positive 1. So again, this will give us positive 1. And so we are left with our 2 to the power of 1 all over 2. Then r to the power of 4 equal to 4. So if this cancels here, we have 2. So 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4 equal to 4. This is another proof that this root here is also correct. So let's check the negative one, which is our x4. x4 is equal to minus the square root of 2 iota. Again, bring in our equation, which is x to the power of 4 equal to 4, is easy. So this will now give us bracket open minus the square root of 2 iota close bracket all to the power of 4 is equal to 4. This is easy. Again, 4 to the power of minus will give us positive, and 4 to the power of iota will give us 1. So here we have 1, here we have 1, so we are left with the square root of 2. So this will now give us here 2 to the power of 1 all over 2 times 4 all over 1 is equals to 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we are having 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. So we end up having 4 equal to 4. So this also shows that the fourth root, which is iota minus the square root of 2 iota, is very what? Correct. All right, so this marks the end to this simple exponential equation. If you love something from this video, give the video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, because it's only on that ground that you get notified whenever we drop an amazing video. Thanks for being there. Bye for now.